Hello everyone, and welcome to Let's Try English. I'm Julian.
And I'm Candice. Today's theme isとらい姫Enjoy cooking. Let's make cocoa rice crispy treats.
Ingredients: 100 grams cocoa rice crispy cereal, 60 grams marshmallow, 10 grams butter.
Instructions. Number 1. Put marshmallow and butter in a heat-proof bowl. Heat it in the microwave for 1 minute and 30 seconds. Number 2. Put cocoa rice crispy cereal in number 1 and mix well. Number 3. Put a sheet of wax paper on the tray. Then put number 2 on it and make it flat. Number 4. Leave it to cool and then cut.
Vocabulary list. Enjoy cooking. Enjoy cooking. Ingredients. Ingredients. Cocoa rice crispy cereal. Cocoa rice crispy cereal. Marshmallow. Marshmallow. Butter. Butter. Heat-proof. Heat-proof. Microwave. Microwave. That's all for today. See you next time.